Hello friends, so here we have to prove that sin a minus cos a plus 1 whole upon sin a plus cos a minus 1 is equal to sec a plus tan a. Now guys, on left hand side we have trigonometric ratios of sin a and cos a, whereas on right hand side we have sec a and tan a. So there are two ways to solve it. Either visualize the right hand side in terms of sin and cos and try to bring this left hand side in terms of sin and cos. And the other method is, let's convert this left hand side in terms of tan and sec and then solve it in tan and sec itself to get tan and sec on right hand side. So what we will do is, here we will use the second approach, that is, let's convert the left hand side in terms of tan and sec. So for that what we will do is, we will divide numerator as well as the denominator with cos a. So here I will say that left hand side is equal to sin a minus cos of a plus 1 upon sin of a plus cos of a minus 1. And now here we will say dividing numerator and denominator by cos of a. So here we will get sin of a minus cos of a plus 1 upon cos of a whole upon sin of a plus cos of a minus 1 whole upon cos of a. Now let's divide these terms of numerator separately with cos of a. So sin of a upon cos of a is tan of a minus cos of a upon cos of a is 1 plus 1 upon cos of a is sec of a. So here I am using the formulas, that is sin of a upon cos of a equal to tan of a and 1 upon cos of a is equal to sec of a. Similarly, in the denominator, sin of a upon cos of a is tan of a plus cos a upon cos a is 1 minus 1 upon cos a is sec a. So it means we have converted all the sin and cos trigonometric ratios in the tan and sec. And now let's solve it. Let's apply some formulas of trigonometry and get the value as sec a plus tan a. Now how we will achieve it? So for that I will write down the numerator as tan a plus sec a minus 1, and for 1 we can use a formula. Now what is the formula? So if I want to represent 1 in terms of sec and tan, then we know that one formula is there, which is here I will write it down, tan square a plus 1 is equal to sec square a. So if I send this tan square a on right hand side, then it will be sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1. So it means I got the value of 1 as sec square a minus tan square a. Now in denominator we will keep these terms as it is. Now the terms are tan a minus sec a plus 1. Now in the numerator we got sec square a minus tan square a. Let's visualize it as a square minus b square. So it is a plus b into a minus b. So we will get sec a minus tan a and sec a plus tan a. So this first term is as it is, that is sec a plus tan a minus, here the formula sec a plus tan a and sec a minus tan a upon the denominator is tan a minus sec a plus 1. So tan a minus sec a plus 1. Now from these two terms we can take sec a plus tan a common. So will get sec A plus tan A outside. In the bracket, from the first term we will get 1 because sec A plus tan A is outside the bracket, minus as it is. Now this sec A plus tan A is outside the bracket, so from here we will get sec of A minus tan of A. I am purposely keeping it inside the bracket because I have negative sign outside, and denominator is as it is, which is tan A minus sec A plus 1. Now let us solve the numerator. So sec A plus tan A as it is, and here we will get 1 minus of sec A and minus minus plus of tan A, and in the denominator we have the same term, that is tan of A minus sec of A plus 1. So I can cancel these two terms because we have positive 1, negative sec A and positive tan A, and after cancellation we got sec A plus tan A, and that is nothing but our required right hand side. So here we have proved the given result. Thank you.